Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys, another unboxing. You already know the deal. Let's move this keyboard out the way, get the package brought up, which is right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So we're gonna just do this really quick because I'm waiting for more packages to come in the mail. So I wonder what this is. This is an extender. Man, they just dropped everything like on top of this. So this is basically for the PC. You see here. Okay, that's what I came inside here. So basically you get two velcro, no, not even velcro straps. It's just you just wrap this around your case. You basically slide it through here, which I'm gonna pull it out real quick. I basically got this for my GPU. So basically the one thing you gotta do is put this around the GPU, slide this inside as so, and connect these zip ties to the GPU plug like that, and that's basically it. Plug this part into the header for your RGBs right there. You can daisy chain it right there and go about your merry day like that, and that's about it. So I'll put the link in the description where you can pick this up, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wrong.